Imagine you're your entire marketing department: strategist, copywriter, designer, analyst, and hype person. Today, you'll get a step-by-step toolkit to learn digital marketing solo and actually ship results without a fancy degree or a lucky algorithm. Step 0. Define the mission. Pick one product or skill to promote, one audience, and one measurable goal. Example: book 10 discovery calls in 60 days. Write it on a sticky note. That's your North Star. Step 1. Know the human. Build a quick audience profile. Pains, dreams, language, places they hang out. Use Google Trends to see demand. Answer the public or also ask to see questions. And reviews on Amazon or Reddit to hear voice of customer. Boil this into a one-sentence value promise. Step 2. Build the home base. Create a simple site or landing page with card, Wix, or Webflow. One clear headline, 3 benefits, proof, and a single call to action. Connect Google Analytics 4, Google Tag Manager, and Google Search Console. Add a lead form with Typeform or Tally, and route contacts to a free HubSpot CRM via Zapier or Make. Step 3. Be findable. Do keyword research with Keyword Planner, Ahrefs free tools, or Ubersuggest. Map one primary keyword to each page. Install Yoast or Rank Math. Craft title tags and meta descriptions, and make your content answer the searcher's question in the first 100 words. Add internal links and compress images with tiny PNG. Step 4. Build a content engine. In Notion or Trello, plan topics by intent. Educate, compare, convert. Write with Grammarly or Hemingway. Repurpose. Blog to LinkedIn carousel with Canva. Snippet to short video with CapCut or Descript. Post consistently. Quality plus cadence beats perfection. Step 5. Own your audience. Start an email list with MailerLite, MailChimp, or Brevo. Offer a lead magnet that solves one small pain today. Set a 2-email welcome, value first, then a low-friction offer. Add a weekly newsletter with one useful idea, one short story, one clear CTA. Step 6. Pick your playground. Choose one social platform your audience uses and one you enjoy. Use Buffer or Later to schedule, but keep space for real-time conversation. Study the top 5 creators in your niche. Borrow structure, not voice. Step 7. Learn paid the right way. Start with tiny budgets. Use Facebook Ads Library for inspiration. Then test 2 hooks, 2 creatives, and 1 audience at a time. In Google Ads, begin with search for high-intent keywords. Track conversions with Tag Manager and confirm in GA4. Step 8. Make pages that convert. Build focused landing pages for each offer. Remove distractions, add social proof, and promise a specific outcome. Use Microsoft Clarity or Hotjar for heat maps. A/B test headlines with VWO or Convert. Small wins compound. Step 9. Measure, then iterate. In Looker Studio, create a simple dashboard. Visits, leads, cost per lead, conversion rate, revenue. Every week, run a tiny experiment. New hook, new thumbnail, faster page, stronger guarantee. Document what you learn. Step 10. Build proof. Do 2 free or low-cost pilot projects, get testimonials, and write mini case studies. Share your process publicly on LinkedIn or X for accountability and inbound opportunities. Your 90-day roadmap. Days 1 to 7. Set up site, analytics, and tracking. Days 8 to 21. Publish 3 SEO pages and 1 lead magnet. Days 22 to 45. Weekly content plus email welcome series. Days 46 to 60. Test $5 to $10 a day ads. Days 61 to 90. Optimize top pages, refine offer, and publish your first case study. Quick marketing intermission. If this toolkit is helping, smash the like so hard your trackpad files an HR complaint. Hit subscribe so future lessons stalk you politely. And share this with someone starting over. It might be the nudge that changes their year. Then drop a comment. What's your 2026 goal? Put it in writing. Future you is watching. Final mindset. Consistent signals beat viral spikes. Show up. Measure, improve, repeat. When you get stuck, return to the chain. Audience, offer, page, traffic, measurement. That's the loop. Keep turning it, and your solo marketing engine will hum. You've got this. Start today. Learn loudly and let results be your resume and signature.